Hi, welcome to Radiology Lecture 3. I'm going to go ahead and go into Canvas so that you can look at our lecture notes for the week. So I'm going to go into Canvas and I'm going to go into Radiology and I'm going to go to Week 2 lecture. In this lecture, I will be explaining about 3 different paper clips. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Later, after this is finished, this recording, it will be posted in the Week 2 lecture recording so that you can watch it and listen to it. So if we look at the overview for Week 2, by the end of this lecture, this week, you'll be able to understand the paralleling technique. You'll be able to identify all the names of the different kinds of x-rays in the full mouth x-rays. There's periapicals and bite wings, and you'll know the difference of the two and why we take a periapical and why we take a bite wing. You'll also be able to identify which film size to use for each film and which film holder to use. And the last thing that we'll discuss is vertical and horizontal angulation of the tube head or the cone, so you know which way to point the tube head at the patient's face to take the particular x-ray. For this week, I want you to go through the instructional content, which is the lecture, the 3 paper clips. The reading assignment is Chapter 1 in your radiology book, pages 5 to 43. And then start this is a homework, what learning style you are. It's a short video for you to watch and send me a paragraph on which learning style you are. And also I have a full mouth x-ray assignment and a quiz. So you have 3 things to do plus the reading. If I go into the first paper clip of lecture notes, it's the lecture notes for Chapter 1. Even though it's Week 2, we're doing Chapter 1. And we are going to talk about intraoral techniques. So intraoral means inside the mouth is where the film is placed, taking a radiograph from inside the mouth. Okay, I'm going to stop right now. Where is this going?